Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to show you how to differentiate these three over here. Okay, so basically I'm going to use the idea of differentiating x to the power of n. We have this rule, right? So I'm going to apply that for these questions. So for the first one, what I'm going to do is just bring the x to the top with making a power negative. And then if I differentiate it, we get negative 4 on 2 x power of minus 5. And if you divide that fraction, 4 on 2 is equal to 2. And then let's just bring the indice back down to a positive one. Okay? And so that's the answer. For the first one, let's actually move this to the side over here. Let's work downwards. Okay, now what if you have a surd? Now, if you think back to our formula, it's in index form, right? So to use it, let's change this to index form. Let's say fx is equal to x to the power of 3 on 2. And so if you differentiate it, we get 3 on 2, x to the power of 3 on 2 minus 1. 3 on 2 minus 1 is just 1 on 2. And also, again, just bring it back to the way the question gave it to us. Okay, so 3 on 2, and just put it back to surd form. Okay, and the last one I'm going to go through is just this question here. Now, to differentiate a fraction where we have x on both top and bottom, it's different from this question that we had before where we only had x on one of the sides. What you want to do here is to not just differentiate the top and then just differentiate the bottom. We have to sort of obey our laws, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is to split it off. Okay, which means the first fraction we can simplify to 1 on x squared. Now to differentiate this guy, we're going to need to change everything to index form. And then now we are able to differentiate. Minus 2, x minus 3, minus 9, x minus 4. And then again, just change it back to the form that the question gave it to us as. Like that. Okay, so hopefully that was some help to some of you. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this one, and I'll catch you in the next one.